Vegetarian food is amazing, provided you go and pick up a lot of vegetables which you have not tried, tasted. And today I brought long yard beans. These are not yard long, but these are pretty long. These are rich in protein and also a lot of fiber. So we're going to make this at least 3 recipes. First learn how to make the Poriyal, then we're going to make nice 5-star hotel style knot recipe. The third one will be amazing tossed and with paneer in the Chinese style. First, these yard beans I have cut it into small pieces, which I am going to boil them first in the water. These beans I have cut them into small size. First, I am just going to add a little bit of ghee into boiling water. With the ghee or butter, add some salt, you add the beans. So the whole idea is you do not want to get rid of the water in which you are boiling. So by the time these yard beans are ready, most of the moisture will be evaporated and these beans also will be very tasty. Beans are boiling in another pan, and for making the Poriyal, add little oil. In this, we are going to do the tempering, add some mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds starts crackling, in this add cumin seeds and some red chilli. Lot of times people love to add coconut oil for this. In this, add some urad dal. When the urad dal also starts getting slightly colored, add curry leaf, green chilli. Some people also add garlic. I am doing that, and in this add some chopped onion. You want these onions also slightly saute but not color. In this add a little bit of salt, a little bit of turmeric. I am adding some soaked chana dal just to get additional flavor. Much of the moisture is gone, so we're just going to add the beans. Make sure you check the salt, and also the beans are nicely cooked. In the last, add some freshly grated coconut, mix it, and your Poriyal is ready. This is the very staple South Indian food. Add some chopped coriander and switch off the flame. This is ready to serve. The beautiful thing is the colors. The greens have to remain green. And you can add a lot more vegetables to this. If you are adding carrot, the carrot has to be nice in light color. Finish it off by adding some grated fresh coconut. This is what is very simple and delicate cooking, what we love to eat every day. Wow magic with Chef Mani. The next recipe is, we're going to use tofu paneer along with this long yard beans. This is no masalas but excellent taste with coconut milk. We're going to use some nice good looking red chilies and just get rid of the seeds if there are any. Few slices will spice it up. For making this, first we're going to add some oil in a pan. We're going to fry this paneer tofu. This is available in India all over. Add these pieces in the pan. Try and use a non-stick pan. These paneer pieces don't break easily, so you can just get slight coloring. That will give a very nice texture to this, and transfer it into a plate. In the same pan, add some more oil. In this, we're going to use yard long beans. We're going to add onions, add cabbage, chili, the nice good looking ones. Also add some garlic. Saute them, add peanut butter. Let these melt away and coat these vegetables. Add coconut milk. Let these vegetables and the yard beans cook in this, and it will give a very nice flavor. And if you want to add corn, just let it cook for a minute, and when this whole thing gets a nice flavor from this, we're going to add the tofu. Adjust the seasoning, drop in the tofu. All you want is much of this sauce to evaporate and coat along with this vegetables, and this is ready to serve over a bowl of rice. Beautiful vegetables, and with the tofu, the yard beans, and these things. Isn't this very easy to make? Finish it off by adding some more spring onion. What do we do in a 5-star hotel when you get these long yard beans? You try to present it in a beautiful way. Women love to tie their hair knots, but we tie with these string beans. Add some salt in the hot boiling water, add these yard long beans, cook till they are nice and tender. Once they are nice and soft, just take it in a plate, and then we are going to tie the knots. All we need to do is, we need to tie the knots like this onto a chopstick and then slide out like this. There are a couple of ways to do. If you don't have a chopstick, you can take a beans, tie the knots like this. This would be very simple to do. So whenever you have a special guest in the 5-star hotel, when they spend so much money, that is what we do. Pull the string on the other side, you have a perfect knot. With a chopstick, all you need to do is take the size you want and then tie. When you come to a point, pull the string like this and you have a knot ready. This is also very easy. Once they are ready, pull it into a plate. Look at all these strings that are beautiful and ready. So all we are going to do is saute it in the nice oil, give it a nice taste and serve it. Now you have these boiled knots ready. In the pan, we are going to add some sugar and also a little bit of salt, a little bit of vinegar. In this, we are going to add butter and also the knots. The whole idea is to give a nice shine and a taste to the knots. Once the butter melts and the sugar and this one will give a very nice coating, and also it will give it a very nice taste. On top of this, you can sprinkle some sesame seeds and they are perfect to serve. Get the tofu. This is beautiful with the nice peanut sauce, with this red chili. You have to look at this, how we do presentation in the hotels. When the people see this awesome, the string beans, look at them. They are not ordinary, they are super tasty. We are going to do this great combination of Poriyal also. Look at these springs of these beans. You boil them right, you make them nice and juicy with that sugar, butter, some apple cider vinegar and sesame seeds. Tofu paneer is basically available in India mostly, and they make rather than the soft tofu, this is hard like the paneer. So we love to eat paneer, so you can get this paneer also. And the taste with the peanut butter and the coconut and all these crunchy vegetables, nice, mild sweetness, the peanut sauce, the coconut milk, just amazing. Wow. Finally, we end up here with our ever loving Poriyal, and this is just wow. Each one of them is unique by itself. Dear friends, vegetarian food is great. All you need to do is make a little effort and try various varieties. You learned how to use the long yard beans to make some amazing dishes. That's why I always say, keep cooking and keep saying, Vareva. Wow, wow, wow.